Alright, day 5 assignment. Zombie Cell City. When looking at the cell, its parts and the functions mirror the parts of a city. What kind of city, you ask? Well, of course, I'm talking about a zombie apocalypse city. Your assignment is to first go through the functions of each organelle and tell what part of the city they mirror. You will do that here in the functions part. Some are going to be much easier than others. After you have completed that with the functions and then come up with a part of the city that it represents, then you are going to design and draw your city. So you can do the functions and parts here, and then just the next page on Notability, start drawing. Make sure to clearly label where your cell membrane, whatever part of the city it is, where your cell wall, or whatever part of the city you decide it is. Make sure you clearly label all of them on your map. If you have a blank building drawn, but it's not labeled, we don't know what it is, so it's hard for us to figure that out and grade you. Good luck. Make sure you email any questions. Use your notes from day 3, the cell organelle functions and parts of the city ideas, to help yourself out with this assignment. Good luck. You'll do wonderful.